Hello all, TechGeek311 here again. Got a favorite app to show you guys today. Okay, today I want to show you one of my favorite apps. This is one of the apps I use pretty much on a daily basis. It's going to be that little A you see. It's called AppAdvice. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, this app I pretty much use every day. I refer to it every day. This one I read all the information, watch all the videos. I have to hand it to the people at AppAdvice. They really do have an extensive app here. It really has a lot of information on apps, events, keynotes, all those things. So if you really are interested in learning more about applications and what Apple's doing and things like that, this app is my recommendation. To get into it first, we're going to go to App News. So if you go into App News, you'll notice that they have the top stories on top. You scroll down, you're going to have all the latest news. If it's in black, that means it hasn't been read. If it's been sort of grayed out, that means I've already looked at it. So if we go into one of these, you'll notice it goes ahead and it loads up all the information on whatever the topic is about. You can scroll down, see all the information, see their little videos that they have inside there. Go down to the very bottom, you get all the application pictures and descriptions. And this goes through everything, and then the very bottom they give you the mentioned apps. These are the apps that they've actually mentioned or talked about. If you click on that little arrow on the top right hand corner, it's going to give you a chance to share this by email, messages, or Twitter. Go back, you can go again. They also have another application that they also include, which is called Today's App Free, or Free Apps Daily. And so they're going to show you all the currently paid apps that have gone free. So it's a good way to know what you don't want to actually spend your money on at this time. You want to get the same full app for free. So it's a good way that they do that. You go to the top, they also have this new series called Quirky App of the Day. So they add some of these apps that are a little bit odd or a little bit different. They give you all the information as usual. You can also send them a tip. So if you go on Send Tip, it'll give you a whole email set up, and then you can send them a tip if you want. Coming back onto the home screen, you have what's called App Guides. This gives you all the guides either for iPhone, iPad, or all of them. You can go into any one of these. It's going to load all the guides. They're going to give you the essentials, notable, decent, and beyond. You can go back out and you can go to App List, and this is going to give you the same thing, iPhone, iPad. It's going to give you separate lists in here that you can choose from. You can go into any one of these, find all the applications that are related to that list. On the bottom left middle, you're going to have the app reviews. And this one I use pretty much daily, and this is the reviews that they do of applications. You can search by date, search by name, or search by their score. And they basically give you whatever review is on that application. They go ahead and review it, and they give you all the information you need to know. Then another thing that they have is called Appisodes. This one is their one of their spokesladies, Robin Reese, which she's very good. I've watched many times her videos. She basically does the app reviews or gives you news or gives you information about stuff in video form, so you can actually see how the stuff works. You have a little eye on the right corner, and this tells you basically how you can follow them, how you can watch offline, how you can be a part of the show. Gives you more information on that. Then they have what's called App Movers, and this basically tells you where the app is going, what it's doing. You can look up all the information on the application. You go back in and you have New Apps. This shows you whatever's new in the App Store, so you can look and see what's paid, what's free, and what's noteworthy. On the very bottom you have App Updates. This gives you all the apps that have been updated and what their update includes. You can look under any one of the categories you want. You also have app sales. This one here tells you which apps have gone free, which ones are on sale now, and which ones not to miss. So if you go into Don't Miss, it'll tell you these are the essential apps to look for. So that is basically the AppAdvice app. It's a very informative app, very good, a lot of information. They keep you up to date. When Apple does their keynotes, then they actually stream the keynotes live. So it's a very helpful one in that sense. Now the one that is compatible with it is called Apps Gone Free. And this one is basically from AppAdvice. Every day they give you an alert and they tell you exactly how many apps have gone free. You can look at all the information on them. You can load directly into the App Store. You can also go to this little sales tag on the top right corner. And this is called App Bump, which is a new way that you can actually search for an application and tell them, hey, I want to see this one go free. And they will do what they can to make sure the app goes free. You have the little eye on the corner. This is going to give you all the information about what they do and how this application works. So as I said, both of these are daily that I use, Apps Gone Free and AppAdvice. So if you really want to know a lot more about applications and a lot more information about what's going on, I recommend these two. I use them on a daily basis, and they've been very, very informative and very helpful. Okay, so I hope this helps you guys out. Hopefully you guys can learn a lot more. Please support them, support AppAdvice and Apps Gone Free. And as usual, if you like my video, just go ahead and hit the like button below. If you want more future videos, go ahead and subscribe. I will talk to you guys later.